3 cactuses from IKEA. They just add so much. These 3 Vogue prints, hated this when I moved in, but now Hi everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be transforming my university room. It's going to be the process of how I kind of changed it from a plain Jane university halls or student house, which is what I'm in, room, all the way to making it my own and how it is now, and I'm honestly so in love with it. So I actually uploaded a moving vlog into university yesterday, which is me travelling up, unpacking, sorting things out and saying goodbye to my family. So if you want to watch that, then I'll link that below. But this video is going to be about decorating the room and making it feel at home, which is obviously one of the most important things when you're at uni. So if you are returning to my channel, then thank you so much for coming back. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you are new here, then hello, welcome to my channel. And I really hope you stick around by subscribing if you like it. So this is how the bed looks before I put anything on it. So this is how my bed looks now, which is obviously so much nicer than before when it had nothing on it. So I've just added these lights to the back, which I plug in from IKEA, and I'll try and link those below because I can't remember the name of those, nor would I have actually been able to pronounce them. So I've got this pink duvet cover from Dunelm. This cushion is from the White Company. This one is from Next, and then the pink one is from M&S. And then my favourite bit of the whole bed is the bedspread, the white kind of fluffy one. I just think it looks so cute, and it's the Offlia one from IKEA. So yeah, I'm super happy with how that looks. So I'm now going to be showing you me and my friend putting up all the Desenio prints that I have. All the prints are from Desenio and then the frames are from IKEA. So I'm going to insert a little time lapse of that because it actually took a long time to put them up, like to get them straight and things. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I needed someone to help me. So this is how they look above my bed now, and I honestly think they just add so much. I'm so obsessed with them, and they're just all my favourite things. Like I got dreams, I thought that was cute. That's my favourite quote, which is she designed a life she loved. And then I've got a travel picture because I love travelling. My favourite place, New York. And then I just got the Coco one because I thought it was just cute. So I feel like this is where I'm going to put my makeup and my palettes and things like that, because this is where the window is, so I feel like I'll probably just like roll my chair over here and do my makeup over here. So I'm just gonna set that up now. So this is how I've decided to set up my makeup on my chest of drawers. So I've got my everyday makeup all in the Muji storage. I brought that from home because I just love that. And then I've got a little jewelry box here, which is from Laura Ashley. And then I've got these 3 Vogue prints, which I honestly love so much. I got them from the Affleck Centre in Manchester. You would have seen that in my Manchester vlog if you watched that. It was so cool in there. And then I've got my little palettes box over here, which is from Primark. And then my brushes in the Wilko little pots. So yeah, I really like the setup of that on here. So then I thought this top drawer could be for makeup and things and like hair products. So I'm going to fill that up now. So I've just got this little basket full of products I use on like a night out, like my hairspray, my tan, my brush, and I've just got extra like shampoos and things back there. And then here is a hair bag. It's just a Victoria's Secret bag that has loads of hair bubbles in it. Then I've got my gel nail kit here, which is how I did these. They're chipping already, it's not that great. And then I've just got my empty makeup bag, so that is drawer 1 finished. And then this is how this setup's looking. So now I'm trying to just sort out my desk area. I know it's for work, but it looks a bit plain. So I've got this, which is from IKEA. It's just this gold frame, and you can like clip photos on it. It comes with these little gold clips. So I'm gonna wait for my Polaroids to arrive. I've ordered my Polaroids from La La Lab, so I'm just waiting for those. So I'm filming this the next morning after I've already finished decorating my whole room, and I woke up to the best package ever this morning from La La Lab. All the prints I ordered, and they're honestly amazing. I'm going to put them up on my little metal rack thing, and I just can't wait. So they came in this brown envelope, and then inside with this little pink one, and it had all the prints in. And honestly, like, it's made me so happy because they're just so cute. Okay, so these are all the prints I've ordered. They're so cute, and like they're so glossy. I've got pics of my uni friends, home friends, some travel pics of my boyfriend. They're all so nice. This is my favourite one. They're all literally so clear, and then I put the date and the place in all of them, which I thought was cute. Oh, it literally looks amazing. This is exactly what I hoped it would look like. I'm so obsessed. They're so cute. So I also forgot to mention that when you order Polaroids with La La Lab, they give you a £5 off code for anyone else to get a £5 off their first order, which is what I used. I used my friend's £5 off code. This is obviously definitely not gifted or anything, but I just want to leave the code on screen now, and I'll leave it in the description as well in case anyone wants to grab some Polaroids, because they're honestly so cute. Just put these two little notebooks on here. These are both from TK Maxx. You would have seen this one in my homeware haul, and this one in my uni come shop with me. This one I'm just using to like plan all my YouTube videos out, and then this is my diary obviously. And then I'm also just going to keep my pencil case on my desk, and it all kind of matches. This one is from Urban Outfitters, it's a skinny dip one. So then I'm thinking in these drawers just below the desk I should put all my stationery and books and things, just so it's all close together. Trusty biros, got some highlighters, pencils, and then I think I'm just going to put my paper in there because I'll need to reach for it a lot, so I'll just leave it in there so it's not annoying getting the drawers out all the time. So yeah. So I got these lights in my new in Primark video if you saw. They're just these little bulb ones which are so cute, and I'm just going to attach them to my mirror now with sellotape. Okay, so I didn't really know how to film me putting the lights on without basically lying on the floor, so apparently that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to put these around the mirror and then sellotape them on. So this is how the lights look around the mirror. I'm literally obsessed with that. I think it looks so cute. And then I also just put the other IKEA plant down there. I just thought that would look so nice in mirror pictures, just have the lights and the little plant. I just think it really adds something to the room. So also, excuse this wavy mirror. It came with the room. I don't know how I'm going to cover it up, but I will, because I'm not going to lie, I'm not a huge fan, but I am a fan of this little setup that we've made. So the next thing I need to do is just organise a little setup on this table. This also is from IKEA. So I'm thinking I might do a little autumnal setup on it. So I'll show you what I'm going to put on it, and then I'll show you how it looks all organised. I'm thinking it'll be cute to have a little autumnal setup going on here. I like the idea of changing this table based on like the season. So if it's Halloween, Christmas, and at the minute autumn. So I'm going to put my favourite things on right now. You might have seen them in my Home Sense shop with me, but if not, I'm going to show you now anyway. So I'm going to put this Sand and Fog candle in Pumpkin Harvest. This honestly smells unbelievable, so I'm going to put that on there, of course. Oh, how cute is this? I'm going to put this on there as well. It's in Sugar Pie Pumpkin. It's a scented little pumpkin, so I'm going to put that on the table too. Then I'm going to put my book on it, maybe some fairy lights, and see how we're going. So this is how the little setup is looking. I think it's so cute. I didn't put fairy lights on for now because I actually don't have any batteries for the fairy lights, so that's an issue, but I'll obviously get some at some point. So I've got my little candle, the pumpkin, and then this book. So this book is the book I'm reading at the minute, The Secret, and it's all about like law of attraction and things like that. Or Elle Darby talk about this on her channel so much, so I just had to get it, and honestly so far I'm only on page 21 because I've only read it once, but it's honestly so good. So the last thing I've got to do in my room is decorate this little storage container thing. This came with my room and I was going to get rid of it, but then everyone keeps telling me that it's really good for storage. The plants I've got to put on are these little 3 cactuses from IKEA, of course. Where else do you get plants from? I mean, quite a lot of places probably sell plants, but I mean, more of mine are from IKEA. So I'm going to put these on some of the shelves. And then I've also put this hanging one on. It's just like this. I'm obsessed, so I'm going to put that on there as well. And then of course we've got to put my cookie jar on there, but I'm going to put it as close to my bed as possible so it has easy access. I'm going to put some tissues on there as well, like right on my bed I think. And then I have this little box which is just full of like vitamins, tablets and things. I'm going to put the top out of the way. I think in the middle one I'm going to put this, which is a weekly planner. So I think it'll be good to just like put all my lectures on and things. I also have this little picture that my friend made me when I came to uni last year. All these pictures of birds and then it lights up. So I'm going to put that maybe behind the cat. Oh no, there. So I'm planning on doing a before and after. So this is the before. We've got the wardrobe, the desk, the chest of drawers over there, and the ugly chair, which hopefully I'm going to replace, the window, and then I've got my bed, which has the not so pretty mattress on, and then this little storage container. So I'm just going to give a little overview of the room now. It's completely finished, finally, about 3 days in. So on the back of my door, this hook was already there, which is where my coats are, and then I added this one for my dressing gown, and then over here is this little storage cabinet thing, and I actually hated this when I moved in, but now I honestly love it. Now it's got the plants on, and I've kind of made it my own, and I really like it. Then I've got my little bedside table, which just has my candle, my book, and things like that on it. So then coming over here, we've got all the prints that I am honestly obsessed with. They're in my room at home, and I just brought them here and put them up. So they're behind my bed, and then I've got little IKEA lights behind the bed, and then my bed looks like this. And then down by the side of the bed, I've just got this little rug from IKEA and my slippers from Primark. And then coming over here, I feel like this is going to be my filming setup, like sitting on there and looking that way. So let me know if you like that. And then over here is my little, I guess it's become kind of my vanity on the top of the drawers. So I've got my makeup, I've got these 3 Vogue prints, and then I've got my basket of palettes and my makeup brushes. And then coming around here, I've got my desk. So on the desk, I've just got this plant from IKEA, this little room diffuser thing from Primark in pink peony, and then this little elephant that my mum gave me that says daughter on it, because I thought that was cute. And then I have this, which I'm yet to put my Polaroids on. Then I've got a few books, and then obviously my chair goes under there, which I've just put another one of these IKEA rugs on. So then over here, I've got my wardrobe, I've got my bags, my jackets, and then my suitcase is down there for now, and my mum's going to come and take that home. And then I've got my little laundry basket. So then here, I'm just going to turn these lights on for the full effect. I've got my mirror, which I love, and then my little plant, which has fallen over for the minute. And yes, that is my room. And I honestly think it's so nice. Like, I'm really, really happy with how it's turned out. So that is the end of my room transformation video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some room inspiration. I honestly am obsessed with how my room turned out. So if you did enjoy it, then give it a big thumbs up, and I would absolutely love if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean so much, and we have so many more exciting videos coming in the next few weeks. Let me know in the comments below as well if you'd like to see weekly vlogs at uni. That's something I'm thinking about. And as of yet, I'm not really too sure on my filming schedule now I'm back at uni. So I'll be updating everything like that all over on my Instagram. So if you want to follow that for updates, then it's just georgialaurenbirch. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!